Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial about how to use ProfMe to broadcast a webinar or in our case an online meditation. So we start by going to profme.com. You will see that the interface is in Russian, but we can switch it to English by pressing the little flag on the right upper side and choosing the second option. Okay, now everything is in English. There are still some small phrases in Russian, but you can translate them using Google Translate. So first we need to sign for an account. If you click enter on the right upper side, it will ask you to log in, but because we don't have an account yet, we can sign up. You can enter your desired credentials. Okay, and you sign up. So you are already logged in. So here what you can do, you can click your name in the right upper side and go to my webinars. Here you can create an unlimited number of webinars. A webinar means actually a room where you can broadcast a meditation or anything you might want. The free account comes with 10 maximum participants. So you are ready to start the webinar for 10 people right away. What we can do now is create another webinar. And here are the details about the webinar you created. Let's assume you want to create a meditation for morning at 5 o'clock. We can call it morning meditation 5 a.m. You can set up a date. Let's say we are starting next Monday at 5 o'clock in the morning. And the duration 1 hour. You can choose the time zone. For me it's GMT -5. And let's say you want to do it every day for a week. So you can add Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I think I skipped a date. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so you can choose 5 dates. You can upload a logo. You have to guess the name of the buttons, but some of them are obvious. Okay, now we have a logo. You can add other things around. It's important to select a category. Let's see, arts and culture. The moderator, you see it's my name, but you can invite other people to be moderators as well, so they have the same rights as you. Link to the webinar. So here, this part is the end of your address. See here, TMP whatever. So you can leave it like this, or you can choose something nicer, for example, morning meditation. Okay, so you'll see you'll have a nicer URL. Number of attendees 10, like you said, you can change your plan, but you need to pay. and maybe additional information, morning meditation, and some description if you want to add. Okay. You have the option to set a password, add some questions and other things. Here you can select where they can, the Prof.me can post the link to your webinar. For example, only on my personal page. Let's see what other options. You can upload an avatar, so maybe your photo. Assign a moderator, you talk. You can see here some videos, but I think they are only in Russian. And you can contact the Prof.me support in case you have some questions. Okay, and then you can save. Okay, that's about it. So the webinar is already created. The URL that you have to share with others is this URL here. You see, you can give the others and they can join right away. Okay, so they will see exactly like this. They will also see the number of days and minutes until the next webinar. I think the team has a bug here, so if people are from a different time zone, this doesn't work properly. So don't use it as to know for sure how much time is left. So maybe create an event on maybe Google Calendar or Facebook event. Okay, so now we are ready to broadcast. You and everybody else has to click this enter webinar. Okay, you wait for a little bit. So this is the interface you can use. You have, let's analyze what do we have on the screen. First, the layout contains different boxes, each of them for a different purpose. The way the boxes are arranged can be changed from this modes button. So you can have the type of conference, learning. Anyway, you can play with them. You cannot break anything, so you can always go from one to another. And the one I'm using the most is the learning one, because this is what we use for meditation mostly. And let's look at what are the components on this screen. First is the video section. Here you can broadcast your face or your voice. So if you click this button for start video broadcasting, you can broadcast using your camera. You can broadcast yourself, or you can broadcast audio using the microphone. Okay, this works. So if we press allow, that's it. Now everybody who came to the address I told you before can hear me talking. Okay, after you're done, you can stop using the red button. Now, let's see what we can do. So we have different options here. We'll try some of them. So everybody will see what you are seeing. Right? So whatever you see on the screen is what everybody sees, except some, of course, some buttons where you are managing the presentation. For example, they won't be able to upload a video and things like that. But they will see the video area, they will see the chat, so they can chat with you here. You will see their names. And let's assume I want to upload a PowerPoint presentation. So I click here, and I have a PowerPoint presentation that is uploaded. And now it takes a few minutes to convert it. So in the meantime, we can do other things. We can click again presentation. Let's say we want to upload an image. Let's upload a funny image of a FootSoc team. Okay, we already see it here. So this is the funny. So when you click here and here, people already are starting to see what you are seeing. So here they will see this image. Let's go back to presentation. Upload an audio or a video. This is for the case when you have an audio or video locally as a file, but we won't do that. Let's upload a YouTube video. Actually, you're not really uploading. You are just adding a link. So let's choose a video. Okay, Sahaj Yoga Kavali. Let's choose a nice Kavali from here. Okay, this is nice. Let's copy the link. You can go back and upload a YouTube video. You can add it. Okay, this is a bit faster because not really uploading anything, just adding the link. Okay, that's funny. Let's try again. Okay, here we go. You can change the location of the video. You can stop it. You can create multiple videos. So let's see what was the error before. Okay, so you see already the PowerPoint is already uploaded. So you can nicely display it going from one page to another. Okay, you can delete the videos. You can create unlimited number here, but they will be longer than the screen, so you have to scroll from left to right. What else? The chat screen. Here you can chat, like I said, with your participants. You can also delete the chat screen, let's say at the beginning of your program. You have different options. You can download the chat here if you need to. There are many other things I didn't try. So here there's the materials, meaning what you uploaded already. You can use them again in the future if you don't delete them. People can ask questions and you can reply. You see here the number of attendees. They give you the country, but again, it's still in Russian. So either you learn their alphabet or you can use Google Translates. The modes, I told you. Another one that I was using is Notes. Notes is nice because you can add here notes where people can see but they cannot edit. For example, if you have a longer seminar, you can put here the schedule. What else? There are video settings. Let's say you want to broadcast from a different camera, you can choose here the camera and many other things. That's about it. So let's quickly do it from the beginning. So how you can start, you go to profme.com and sign up here. Then you'll see your name. Then you can go to my webinars and you can create a webinar. For example, now I can create another one if I want to. The link you are sharing with people is the link that's here when you click your webinar. So they have to come here and then they enter the webinar. They don't need to log in, but they need to provide a name when they enter, the name that you will see in the list. And I think that's about it. Let me know if you have any other question. Bye.